to my workplace.
Alright guys, so this is my little best friend. I have a couple of them, sketchbook. They are always by my side. I draw pretty much every new single character idea on it before just making it a digital painting on my computer. You see it? Right, just stop here and choose this girl. We're gonna digital painting her. Are you ready? Let's go. With character digital paintings, I prefer working on Photoshop. The very first step here is that you have to sketch your expected character on the new layer right above the layer background. And then let's name it as sketch or whatever related. And believe or not, you do need some music to do it better. Let's go. Alright, if you are a beginner, you definitely need a reference character or role model. I highly recommend you to use freepik.com to explore an amazing resource there. Simply check out the website and type in whatever you want to find. For example, cartoon vector. And here we go. Here they are. Enjoy it. Absolutely amazing. Alright, we're now sketching up a draft of the character. Just keep it simple with the hard small brushes or pencil. Try not to draw a long and unbroken lines. Instead, using an abundance of cracky and rough lines instead. Is that what I recommend for you? I'm gonna give you some more tips in order to ace that. First of all, practice a lot with the touch pen to feel the right movements. To do so, you can easily download the picture of someone you like or even you hate and try to draw everything on top of the picture. See it? Secondly, always zoom back and forth your screen to get a perfect fit ratio with your eyes. And the third one, use R button on the keyboard. Just rotate its directions as you wish. Now, let's create a new layer on top of everything. Name it as line or Tinkermatic. This is layer where you have to reshape everything again, but in a deeper caring way. In this step, we definitely have to take care of our shape as well as lines. Now, in the next step, try to simulate your character into 2 more versions to get really into the character that you have built up. If you find it a little bit too fast for you to follow along, so there's a way out. Sign in our official website at tutpart.com to get a full lesson of it, or subscribing Limzim channel to get more videos come up next every week. Alright, we've done pretty good job with all shapes. Let's move to the next step, really important one, coloring. Before you do it, let me give you some more useful tips. Number 1, use brush with 100% opacity and flow for the base colors. Number 2, always using different layers for base colors, shade, and lighting. And number 3, let your color layer underneath your sketch layer. Alright, now we're gonna do a little bit faster. If you want to have more detailed explanation, remember to check out tutpart.com. Now in this step, just choosing the color that you like for the base color layer. Play around with that and you will find the best color for you. It all depends on the cases of situation or character that you draw and even the atmosphere. Okay, one more important step to gain realistic look for character. Create a new layer on top of it, name it as shade or shadow. Choosing the little bit dark midnight color tone and painting everywhere you think it should be dark or every single edge of the character. Now do the same thing with the lighting layer, just adding some lighting effect to the character, choosing the warm light color to add for the highlighted areas. Alright, this is pretty much everything in this speed tutorial. I hope you enjoy it and have more inspiration to tell your own story. If you have any comments, leave it below and make sure to check and subscribe to Path channel to see my upcoming videos in the future. See you soon. I'm Johnny from Limzim channel.